If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Nissan Kicks SV in gunmetal gray metallic. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear bumper parking sensors, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, a 7-inch touchscreen display, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Sirius XM radio, split folding rear seats, all powered by a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5773A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.